main benefits of quitting smoking for the individual and for the family. And it is very harmful to the children and the pregnant woman. Indirectly, the passive smoking, the effects are increasing day by day. So please give a serious thought to it.
Smoking in any amount is also dangerous. So there is another misconception among smokers that if they decrease the number of cigarettes they smoke, it is better. But this is not true. There has been ample evidence which says that even one cigarette per day can lead to a person dying 3 years earlier than their counterparts. So there is no safe limit to smoking.
Smoking not only causes diseases but also induces disability, and it affects every organ in the body. Smoking mainly causes lung cancer, COPD, heart attacks, stroke, and involves gastrointestinal system also.
Willingness to quit smoking is the most important thing when you actually think of quitting smoking. Make non-smoker friends, keep yourself positive always, try working out, keep your mouth busy by chewing gums, lozenges and all, and stay hydrated. And if nothing of these work, take the help of your doctor, talk to the doctor, and there are many medical therapies available for smoking cessation.
Everybody knows that smoke causes the lung cancer. As not only the lung cancer, it causes cancer of each and every part of the body. So to avoid treatment for cancer after getting cancer, better stop smoking before.
Tobacco which is being chewed, or tobacco which is being smoked, or tobacco which is being inhaled. These three things, they enter into the bloodstream and cause damage to the lungs. So as a result of it, lots of people are developing, a disease called COPD. We call it as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The predominant reason being, the nicotine in the tobacco is causing the problem. And second, we are able to, see that the tar which is getting deposited and in the lungs is causing, the lung to get stiffened. So because of which the people are not able to breathe well. 80 to 90% of people who use tobacco are developing this COPD, and they are falling prey for it, and they are always breathless, they crave for oxygen, and they beg the doctors so that they can breathe well, but we are not able to give the sufficient treatment and all, because they are all permanent damages which are not helping the patients at all.
There are medications for you to help quit smoking, including nicotine patches or tablets, or other medication like varenicline. So they have a very high success rate. So I urge you to quit smoking today. With or without help, quitting smoking is the right option.
Use of nicotine in tobacco will increase the cardiovascular, pulmonary and cancer-related diseases. And smoking is a habit which drains your wealth and demolishes your health.
As we all know, smoking is one of the major public health concerns, and it is a leading cause of preventable death throughout the world, and India is no exception. Smoking kills almost one person in every 6 seconds, and it not only affects you, it will also affect your loved ones in the form of a second-hand and third-hand smoke. And it affects almost all parts of the body. It can affect your heart, it can cause a heart attack, or a brain causing a stroke. It affects your lungs, causing pneumonia, COPD, ILD, and almost all the cancers that you see in the body are attributed to smoking. And stopping smoking is never late. Even if you stop smoking right now, you can reduce your chance of developing cancer. And your healthcare provider can assist you in stopping smoking with medications and counseling. So try to stop smoking and encourage others to stop smoking. So stop smoking for a better tomorrow.
Almost majority of the ill health diseases will be caused by smoking. Majority will concentrate on quitting of smoking because of the active smoking and also passive smoking. Your family members, well-wishers and everybody will suffer with your smoking habit. As smoking quitting is never be late, and you can quit today itself, which will be helped by doctors, medication, and there are so many apps which will be helpful for this particular thing. I Can Care is one of the app for that. And the tobacco is the only plant which cannot be eaten by any animal on the earth except a human being. That's how nature given hint for us not to smoke.
Smoking and tobacco use causes many cancers, heart attacks, strokes, and lung problems. So, on the occasion of No Smoking Day, I urge all to quit smoking and be safe.